Imagine a lawn that takes care of itself with precision, intelligence, and cutting-edge technology. Introducing the revolutionary new autonomous lawn care technology for the next generation. REVOLA's iVR16 is the industry standard in robotic lawn mowing, combining four-wheel drive, automatic blade height adjustment, self-cleaning, anti-theft, and the most innovative and seamless integration of RTK, V-SLAM, inertial navigation, and AI vision to ensure a beautifully manicured lawn is always ready to impress and be enjoyed by all. Precision mowing begins with RTK. The machine has its own RTK reference station, which makes the accuracy of receiving satellite positioning accurate to 1 centimeter. This allows for even, straight lines when mowing in open yards, sports fields, golf courses, parks, and corporate campuses. Because satellite navigation can become impeded when signal is lost due to buildings and trees or other obstacles, the iVR16 comes with V-SLAM technology. This technology utilizes the mower's camera to create reference points that create a virtual map of its surroundings. The innovative AI vision technology will take over in instances when RTK and V-SLAM are impeded. AI vision is always engaged to avoid injury to people, pets, etc. It ensures that the machine does not run out of the lawn boundary when both satellites and cameras are blocked. Inertial navigation supports these systems with intelligent monitoring of speed, direction, stability, topography, and obstacle position. It helps support straight, clean mowing lines. The iVR16 is equipped with a four-wheel drive system, giving it more power to handle tough terrain, uneven surfaces, and slopes up to 35 degrees. Achieve flawless results with precision edge pattern and adaptive height and float cutting, each tailored to your unique environment. iVR16 is equipped with a patented self-cleaning rear wheel system that helps keep it mowing, even when tackling difficult weather and terrain. Setup is a breeze with the intuitive REVOLA app for smartphones. Once you've registered and connected the iVR16, you'll need to drive around your yard to set the perimeter, set your schedule, and you're ready to go. You can stay connected with off-site smart monitoring and anti-theft security. You can stay informed with real-time notifications and updates anytime, anywhere. If iVR16 is removed from its geofenced area, you'll be notified. You can then GPS track or lock your mower. With the iVR16's quiet and efficient design, your lawn can be mowed day or night. Meet the future of lawn care. Meet REVOLA's new iVR16.